Hello students, welcome to the session of squares and square roots. Actually, now we are going to discuss finding square root by division method. This topic is under become squares and square root only. What is square numbers? The numbers which can be expressed as the product of the number with itself are called square numbers or perfect squares. For example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are perfect square numbers. How can we say these numbers are perfect square? Suppose we have to write square root of 1 means this value automatically come out from the square root. The value is 1. Suppose the square root of 4 means the value is actually 2. How can we get the value? Because we split the value 4, 2 into 2. Again we have to write 2 square. So square root of 2 square value is 2 only. So these numbers are called perfect square. Another property of square numbers, all square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at units place. Another one, square numbers can have only one number of 0 at the end. Next one, square root. Actually, to find a number whose square is known as finding the square root. Square root is the inverse operation of square. We have some methods for finding the square root value. The first one is repeated subtraction. The next one is using prime factorization. The next very important one is finding square root by division method. For this method, we have some steps. Sometimes the value is in decimal type. Sometimes the question is given in the bar type also. Suppose the given value is using bar na. How can we find out the square root by division method? Place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the digit at ones place. If the number of digits in it is odd, then the leftmost single digit too will have a bar. Actually, guess the largest possible digit to fill the blank, which will also become the new digit in the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the dividend. Continue this process till the remainder is 0 and no digits are left in the given number. The quotient thus obtained is the required square root. Very simple method only. If a perfect square is of n digits, then its square root will have n by 2 digits. You just look at the example. Here, square root of 2025 is given. How many digits are given? N value is 4. So, n is actually even number. The square root of that value is actually n by 2. 4 digits is given, we get 2 digits. So, the square root value will n by 2 digits. Next, look at the value. Square root of 729. Number of digits n value is 3. We just look at the square root of 729. The answer is 27. So how can we get the value? N plus 1 by 2 digits. N is odd means we get n plus 1 by 2 digits. N is equal to 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 2, 2. We get the 2 digit value only. Simply we have to find the square root of the given value using this division method. Exercise 6.4. The first sum. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Here we are going to calculate the square root of 2304 using long division method. This is very simple method. First take the value 2304. Number of digits is 4. First we have to select two digits only. So put 1 comma. Actually your number is, first number is 23. We have to select the number. Same number only we have to select. Multiply the number. We need this value or less than this value. Suppose 3 3s are, 4 4s are, 5 5s are. 5 5s are, that is 25. This is greater than this number 23. So choose the number 4. So 4 4s are, what is the value? 16. Now subtract the value 23 minus 16. What is the value? 7. Next take the 2 digits. So what is that? 704. Now we just add these two values. 4 plus 4, 8. Here we have to use one number. The same number only we have to use here also. One clue is here. The ending number is 4 no. So when we get the number 4, 2 2s are 4, 8 8s are 64. That time only we get. So check the value. Suppose here I use the number 8. 8 8s are 64. Balance 6. Again 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6, 70. So 704, 704. Subtract the value. The remainder is 0. The remainder is 0 means we get the value. So square root of 2304 is equal to 48. That's all. The next subdivision 4489. Now I am going to do the long division method. The given question in second subdivision also 4 digit number. So select the two digits. From the last we have to put comma. Two digits we have to use. The number is actually 44. Select one number. We have to use the same number here. Suppose 5 5s are 6 6 are 7 7s are 6 6 are 36. But 7 7s are 49. 49 is greater than 44. So we can't choose the value. So 6 6 are 36. Now subtract the value. 44 minus 36. What is the value? 8. Now choose the next value. Next two values 89. Okay. 6 plus 6 12. Here you use one number. Same number only we have to use here. One clue is here. The ending number is 9. When we get the number 9, 3 3s are 9. Another one is 7 7s are 49. In this two number also we get the final number is 9. Suppose here I use the number 3 now. You just multiply 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. But the answer is 369 only. No. But our value is 889. So put a value 7 here and here also. 7 7s are 49. Balance 4. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. Balance 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 1 8. Now 889 minus 889 0. Remainder 0 no. So we get the answer. Square root of 4489 is equal to 67. That's all. Continuation only. Third subdivision 3481. Now the given value is 4-digit value. Select the value 3481. The same procedure only. Using long division method now we have to put comma using two digits only from the last. Okay. Now the number is first 2-digit number is 34. Select the value. Suppose you select the number 3 na. Again you have to use 3. 3 3s are 4 4s are 5 5s are 6 6 are. This type only we have to use for square root. Suppose 6 6 are na, 36 is greater than 34. So we can't use the value no. So use the number 5. 5 5s are, what is the value? 25. So subtract the value 34 minus 25, that is 9. Next take the 2-digit value 81. Next step is we just add the value 5 plus 5 10. Here we are going to use one number. The same number only we have to use the quotient also. One clue is here. The ending number is 1. When we get the 1, 1 ones are 1, 9 9s are 81. These two numbers are possible. So 1 is not possible because 101 ones are 101 only. Here our value is 981. So choose the number 9. So 9 9s are 81. Balance 8. 9 zeros are 0. Use the number 8. 9 ones are 9. Now subtract the value. 981 minus 981 0. So square root of 3481 is equal to 59. So this is the square root value of 59. The next one is 529. Already we discussed one thing. Number of digits is even. Actually the square root value is n by 2. Number of digits is odd. This is n value is 3 no. So what is the square root value? That is n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 means here 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 2 2. Okay. Now find out the square root of 529. The same procedure only we have to use. From the last only two digits we have to put one comma. Here only one digit value we are having, that is 5. So 1 ones are 2 2s are. 2 2s are possible. 2 2s are 4. Subtract the value. Choose the next value 29. Take two digits only. Okay. 2 plus 2 4. Here the ending value is 9. Two possible values. One is 3. Another one is 7. 3 3s are 9. 7 7s are 49. In both numbers we have the ending value 9. But the possible number is 3 only. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 129 minus 129 0. Now we get the remainder 0 no. That's all. So the square root of 529 is 23. That's all.